Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C15 and let me show you how to block a number in this device. So first of all we have to open the dialer and choose the 2 dots icon. Let's select the blocked filter, and as you can see we have no blocked calls or blocked messages, so simply click on the settings again and click on set rules. As you can see we can set the rules after inserting a SIM card, but we can still choose the blacklist. So let's click on this, and as you can see we have no blacklisted numbers. If you want to add one, simply click on plus icon, and here we've got 3 options to choose from. You can enter a number, block by prefix, or select number. So let me pick, for example, enter number, and let's type the number you want to block. Simply click on add, and as you can see now this number is on a blacklist, so you will not longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. If you want to unblock it, simply click on it and hold it a little until you will see the remove. Click on this and remove from blacklist. As you can see we have no blacklisted numbers anymore, and you will receive all incoming calls and text messages from that number. There is also another way to block someone's number. If you have this number saved in your contacts, then simply go to the contacts, select the number you want to block, and choose the 2 dots icon. Here, let's simply click to add to blacklist, confirm it, and as you can see now, from now on, this number is in the blacklist. If you want to remove it, simply choose the 2 dots icon and click on remove from blacklist. And let's check. Yes, it is removed from the blacklist. So that's all. This is how you add a number to a blacklist in your REALME C15. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.